This is my website presentation assignment. The homepage of my website is going to be titled Memes for Learning, and it's going to be written across the middle or top of the page, with the background being a collage of memes that I use for my annotated bibliography. And either at the top or the left-hand side are going to be my tabs, and the tabs are Home, About, Practice, Memes, Research Articles, and Create Your Own. The About portion is going to be where I say what memes are and who can use them, such as teachers in this case. And then there's going to be a reason as to why I believe memes are a good educational tool. And this is where I said it encourages students to further participate in class, and it shows that the teacher is putting effort into the class to make it fun. The practice portion is just why memes are relevant, such as lesson content, where you can use memes to discuss topics in class and make it fun to learn about it. Personal thoughts is where students are using their critical thinking skills to better understand memes. And then rules, it's where you do your average rules lecture, but you make it fun by presenting memes. Projects is where I said teachers could assign a project based on what lessons are being discussed in class. The students could create their own meme to be relevant with the topic, which is where the interaction portion comes in. The teacher could post the meme around the classroom, and the students could go around saying which meme they liked best, which meme was most relevant to the topic being discussed, and it just makes discussions more enjoyable. The meme categories are where I just have your basic elementary, middle, high, and college level memes. Elementary school is going to be more recess and like crayons and stuff like that, where middle school is going to be like the bathroom rules and turning in homework assignments, and high school is going to be like having a parking decal, things such as that, and then college is just your like textbook and finals week memes. And each meme category is going to have a subcategory, which are like ones for class rules and getting to know the teacher and icebreakers, subject-related memes, and memes just for fun. This just goes into a little more detail about the class rules, such as tardiness, homework, and class assignments, the bathroom rules, such as having a pass, getting to know the teacher. The teacher might show them their favorite movie meme, or memes related to teaching, like the printer being broken in the teacher lounge, or classroom rules that they are really strict on but make it more fun to present. Subjects is just memes related to topics discussed in class, and then just for fun memes are like the one at the bottom where it says makes you buy a 200 textbook and you don't use it. Research articles, this is just to present to the teachers on the website that I did homework and that I did some background research on the topic of memes. And I posted the links that I used for my annotated bibliography to the right. And some of these links have articles that teachers wrote about their experience using memes in class and how they incorporated memes in the classroom and how they made the assignment happen. And then I posted a Create Your Own tab, which is where teachers could potentially create their own meme if they were comfortable with memes in the classroom. Then I posted links at the bottom left-hand corner of websites that you can create your own meme on. And I feel like this would be great for teachers to do, because if the meme was coming from them personally, it would definitely help a student better understand the topic in class. And that is the end of my PowerPoint.